civil emergency message for the city of Bakersfield. The following message is transmitted at the request of the local authorities and the Bakersfield Police Department. Multiple reports of people have been disappearing out of sight. We have reported that when people take one step on the ground, then the person gets sucked into the ground for unknown cause. In addition, one report has stated that the person has been sent into the back rooms when after being sucked into the ground. So far, there are at least 50 reports of missing persons. For your safety, do not go outside until everything gets cleared. If you feel like you are about to get sucked into the ground, run towards the nearest building immediately. This message will be repeated shortly. Stay tuned for more information and updates on this developing situation.